Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT Pro login or subscription verification failed. If you're paying for Pro but can't log in and it says your subscription can't be verified, here's how to fix it step by step. Check your internet connection first of all. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works, and then make sure you are logged in with the correct account. Open ChatGPT app, tap the profile icon or three dots and check email or Apple account to show your Pro subscription is tied to one specific account. Next, what you're gonna do is force refresh your subscription. Tap the profile icon, settings, and then upgrade to plus. Even if you already have Pro, if you're on the right account, it should recognize your active plan and restore access. And then next, what you're gonna do is restart your iPhone, reopen the app, and try logging in again after a while. And yeah, that's it. So the sorry privacy tip: always manage your subscriptions through the App Store or OpenAI's official website. Never enter payment into one info. Never enter payment info on third-party pages claiming to fix subscription errors. Quick fix: if it still fails from App Store subscriptions, go to settings and make sure ChatGPT Pro is listed as active. They then return to app and tap restore purchase. For web subscription, log into ChatGPT chat.openai.com in Safari and confirm your Pro status there. If it stores active on the web but not on the app, log out of the app, clear Safari cookies, issue and web data, then log back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.